As far as mining issue is concerned, according to me, Mr. Parrikar should hang his head in shame for creating a mess of mining industry and of mishandling of mining issues, thereby causing a loss of not less than rupees 50,000 crores for not being able to convince the Supreme Court of India on various issues. He is the first culprit to stop all minings, and the consequences followed. That Goa should see that iron ore of Goa should not be auctioned. If it is auctioned, then outside players will come into play and they will loot the Goan iron ore. Government of India has put in the mouth of President of India and made him to speak regarding holding of simultaneous polls. The Prime Minister himself also spoke regarding holding of simultaneous polls, which is not possible when these provisions of Constitution as they are existing here. You cannot also amend the Constitution, because to hold the simultaneous polls, you have to move an amendment to change the basic structure of the Constitution, which according to Supreme Court cannot be allowed.
काँग्रेस विधानसभेत फकत जॅक सिकेराच्याच पुतळ्याक तेंको दितली. बाकीच्या पुतळ्यांचेर काँग्रेसीन खंय अजून कांयच थारायल्लें ना.
आणि जॅक सिकेराचो पळय आसा ताका सपोर्ट करतलेच न्ही. बाकीच्याची पळोवन विचार करपाक जाय न्ही. आमी विचार करूं ना त्या संबंधी. केन्ना करतले विचार? आतां जेन्ना असेंब्ली येता तेन्ना विचार करतले न्ही. म्हाका जर पर्सनली विचारचें जाय, हांव म्हणटलो पुरुषोत्तम काकोडकराचो कित्याक न्ही. अजून कोणाक गोंयांक खबर ना की ताणें सगळ्यात म्हत्वाचो रोल पुरुषोत्तम काकोडकरान केला. पुरुषोत्तम काकोडकरान जर रोल प्ले केलो नाशिल्लो हें जावचेंच नाशिल्लें. हांव आतां सांगता. पूण आमी मागना सद्या, कित्याक कारण ते पयलीं पासून ताजोच पुतळ्याची जाल्ली ती. पूण ही वस्तुस्थिती.
प्रुडंटा खातीर चीफ रिपोर्टर लौकीक शिलकार आनी व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट चेतन गवस.